Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very easy, very tasty and very tempting recipe of kofta, that is lauki ka kofta. So let's begin with the recipe. For making lauki kofta, here I have taken 500 grams of bottle gourd, and now I am going to cut the edges and peel off the skin. So with the help of a peeler, just peel off the skin. And here I have peeled the skin and washed the lauki, and now I am going to grate them. So with the help of a grater, grate the lauki. So laukis are grated well, and now I am going to squeeze the water because it has very much water in this. So take the small portion of this mixture and with the help of your palms just squeeze all the water, and you can see like this. So likewise we will squeeze all the water from this bottle gourd. If we will not squeeze the water, our koftas will not hold shape and they will not be fried well. So now in this I am adding 1 chopped green chili, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Just crush them slightly with your palms, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Also I am adding around half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and now goes in the gram flour. So I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix this well. We do not have to add water in mixing this. If you feel like adding more gram flour while mixing this, you can add. So here our mixture is ready, and this is the squeezed bottle gourd water. We will not throw this, we will use this in our gravy, or you can use this in making parathas as well. And here I have kept this oil on flame, and our mixture is also ready. And now the oil has become hot. To check this, just drop a small portion from the mixture, and if it's bubbling up, that means it's ready. So make small balls like this and put this in hot oil, and now fry the koftas from all the sides till they turn beautiful golden in color. Also keep the flame to low medium. We don't have to fry the koftas over high heat, so just on low medium flame fry the koftas from all the sides till they turn nice golden brown in color. So here you can see the koftas are fried well. Now I am going to take this out. Just remove excess oil, and our koftas are ready now, and we will move to the next process of making gravy. For this I have taken a pan. Into this I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, I am adding a pinch of hing, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them in hot oil for about 10 to 15 seconds. And now goes in the dry spices. So half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Fry the spices in hot oil for about 10 to 20 seconds. And now I am adding the onion paste. Mix this well. While adding the dry spices in oil, make sure the flame should be low, and after 2 to 3 minutes you can see the onion has been cooked well. So now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this too with the onion paste for about 1 to 2 minutes. And now goes in the tomato puree. I have grinded 3 large tomatoes in a grinding jar, and mix this well with onion and ginger garlic paste. Now goes in the rest of the dry spices. So I am adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt as per your taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, Be careful while adding the salt because we have added salt in koftas as well. So now mix everything together. And now I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. Fry the besan with this paste for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will give a nice thickness to our gravy. And now cover this and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes on low medium flame. And after 8 minutes, remove the lid and you can see the mixture is ready. It has been fried well. The oil has started to separate from this. And now we will switch off the flame and then we will add 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Mix this well. While adding curd, either you switch off the flame or put the flame on very low, otherwise the curd may curdle. So mix everything together and now switch on the flame. And to avoid this from sticking to the pan, I am adding the bottle gourd water that we have squeezed and mix this well. So you can see after adding curd, again the oil has started to separate from the masalas. That means our masalas are fried really very well. It has a very nice aroma. So I am adding the rest of the bottle gourd water. And now to make its gravy, I am adding 3/4 glass of water and mix this well. In this recipe, we will keep the quantity of water little more because the koftas will absorb the water. And here it has come to a boil. So now I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves and give this a good mix. Also I am adding 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. This will give a very nice aroma and taste to our gravy. And now goes in the fried kofta balls. Mix this and now cover this and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. And after 3 minutes you can see our koftas are ready. They are looking absolutely nice. You can see the gravy is little thin now, but as this will cool down, the gravy will become more thick. So now I am adding few chopped coriander leaves just for garnishing and give this a good mix. And to enhance its taste, I am adding half a teaspoon of ghee. It's optional, but it gives a really very nice taste to this recipe. So mix everything and our Lauki kofta is ready. And you can see it's looking very yummy, very tempting, very delicious. This recipe is very quick and very easy to prepare and it tastes amazing. So give this recipe a try and you will surely love it. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest upcoming videos.